Today we're going to review the new BenQ interactive panel with full Google Play Store and this amazing electronic lift. We homeschool our kids, so this is essential for us teaching our children at home. We're going to go over the unboxing, how we installed it, and who we purchased this from. We purchased this from a guy named Daniel at Smiley's Audio Visual. Here's his contact info. And they were very helpful in helping us get this set up and purchased. Now, this is the first BenQ interactive panel that has the entire full Google Play Store. So anything you want to install, like apps, games, anything you can imagine. So everything from Zillow to Netflix to, of course, all the interactive games, and of course, the teaching games, which are the most important things for the kids here. Here's a small sample of the apps we've installed. There's also widgets that you can put on the desktop. So when you log into the panel, which is essentially just a big computer, you can install widgets on the desktop which help you, which are really great. One of the most important things about the panel is it can link to all your drives. So if you have a Google Drive or a Microsoft OneDrive or Dropbox, or you can even use the internal drive to store all your lesson plans, PowerPoints, Excel documents, anything you can think of, this panel can open it. It also has InstaShare, so you can cast from multiple devices, which is really helpful. Now, getting back to the mount, this is a very, very expensive $1,200 mount. The panel does weigh 147 pounds, but this mount is incredible. It goes up and down, so my little 6-year-old can get to it very easily. It's made by ProLift in Canada, actually assembled in Canada. And it's really neat because you can go all the way up if you want to watch a movie, just keep it up high. But when my 6-year-old wants to interact with it, I can lower it all the way down to her level, which is great. And the construction of this lift was incredible. The feel, the strength of it. Now what you have to realize is this is not just a 75-inch TV, it's an interactive panel. It has all metal construction, it's very well made. These run just north of $3,500 and they are very, very well made. They have a Gorilla Glass coating on the front that's antimicrobial. They have, I think, up to 40 touch points. Multiple ports all over them, USB, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C. You name it.
Like that. Hold on, there we go. Let's see. So this is pink. That's okay. Use that fat tip, and I'll use the thin tip with my orange.
I'm down your house.
You are? Nice.
So my daughter has had the panel less than 1 week, and she's already really taking to it. She's using it for classroom instruction, and of course, as a reward, we let her play some of the games on it. It has a staggering amount of ports on the back, the top for webcams, on the sides. You can hook almost anything up to it. Now this is the part that really warms my heart. We have a special needs daughter, and her iPad games on a panel this big really makes her light up. She just goes wild for this.
That's amazing. She knows exactly what's going on. Unbelievable.
What are you doing?
This is amazing. Let her play. Let her play. Wow, that is so.
That's a big iPad. I'll see you.
That is amazing. Of course, we set these up at our school district, but if you're homeschooling, These panels are incredible. Really, for any learning environment, these are just such a powerful tool.
Like, you know, the best thing is for you to play with it as much as you can. And then the BenQ Academy, you log in with your credentials that you created, and it's free. And it has like 2 to 3 minute videos on every possible feature of the board. And then, like, if you ever want to dive deeper into like the whiteboard and things like that, and really understand how
take
it
over
works,
this
I'm
panel
happy to help you.
and use all the games, learning apps, coloring, spelling, and even the coolest app, which is this app called Bouncing Balls, which you have different types of things that it will show, but it will make the balls bounce more if you're louder. So the more the kids scream, the louder or the higher the balls bounce, which is pretty fun to keep the kids quiet.
Plastic. Let's see what plastic is.
Plastic? What's plastic?
Oh, that's just plastic balls. I like emojis.
No. We keep changing it.
Okay.
Oh.
Now the truck game is not really a educational as much as it is just fun, but she can build a truck, color it. You know, it's more of a kind of an art type game, but it is really neat that she gets to design her own truck, build it, put it together, color it, put special wheels on it, etc. So you built all those cars? Now at the schools, because we're so mobile with the panels, we usually keep them on mobile carts. But hard mounting this and having this go up and down is really great for small kids like this.
I'm gonna fix my car, Dad.
Okay.
I'm fixing my car, and this time I'll give it a name.
You gonna build it?
I'm going to build a car.
I'm gonna leave you here with my daughter playing with a couple of apps. But I wanted to let you know that these BenQ panels really are game changers for kids. And if you have any way to put these in your classroom or your home for homeschooling, I highly recommend it. They really are powerful teaching tools. And I hope you enjoyed this review.
And I'm gonna put pink stripes on top. Oh. I'm gonna put. Oh, I forgot to put the stripe.
Go back and put the stripes on it.
Tree to relax under and a chest filled with treasure. At least Guppy thought it was full of treasure. He couldn't actually get it open. Guppy knew that there had to be a way to get in.
Okay, the last one is rash. The baby had a rash.
Welcome to Bryce's channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.